Welcome to Homebasedchef. In this video, we're going to cook Japanese katsu curry, a hearty meal to enjoy with the whole family. These are the ingredients which are also listed in the description box below. We will use chicken, pork, and shrimp to cater to the preferences of the family members. Let's begin! First, we prepare the vegetables. Peel 1 bulb of garlic and chop into small pieces. Peel 2 pieces of white onion, cut into half and slice into pieces. Cut off the top of the red bell pepper, split it into half, remove the seeds, and cut it into squares. Then set aside. Peel 2 pieces of carrots and cut into pieces about 1 inch thick. Last on the vegetables, peel 2 pieces of potatoes and cut into quarters. Now let's prepare the meat. First, we need to butterfly the shrimp. Grab your scissors to cut off the tip of the tail. Then pull off the head and the legs and peel off the shell, leaving the tails on. Gently run the knife at the shrimp's back and remove the digestive tract or vein by lifting it out or by using a paper towel. If the vein breaks, run water through it to clean. Make small cuts on the shrimp while spreading the meat like a butterfly. It should look something like this. Repeat these steps on the rest of the shrimp and then set aside. Next is the pork. Using a small knife, we need to cut off first the skin and remove the bones. To tenderize the pork, use a mallet or a knife to break up the muscle fibers of the meat. Do the pounding motion, but lightly, so you won't cut the meat all the way through. Do this on both sides of the meat until the thickness is reduced to half. Repeat the steps on the other piece of pork and then set aside. And lastly, the chicken. Make sure to remove the chicken skin and the bones. To split the chicken breast in half, place the chicken breast on a cutting board and hold it flat with your non-dominant hand. Then using a sharp knife, slice the chicken breast horizontally but not all the way through. Spread the chicken meat flat and now you have a larger fillet ready for katsu. Next, we season the meat with salt and pepper. And now we're ready for breading. Make sure to have your assembly line ready with your all-purpose flour, your beaten egg, and breadcrumbs. So grab the shrimp, cover it with flour, then dip it in the egg, and then cover with breadcrumbs. Now we're ready to cook the curry sauce. Heat the pot over medium and add oil. Saute the garlic until it softens a little bit. Followed by the onions. Then add the carrots, potatoes, and bell pepper. Then stir for about 5 minutes. Add about 1 liter of water and bring to boil. I'm adding 2 cubes of level 3 curry roux and 2 cubes of level 5. You can adjust it depending on your preference. If you like it to be more spicy, then add more of the level 5. But if you want it to be milder, then add more of the level 3 curry roux. Give it a good stir until the curry roux melts. Now add in the honey and the tomato ketchup. Mix it well and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to make sure that the sauce doesn't stick on the pan. After that, you'll notice that the sauce will start to thicken. Turn the heat to low and continue cooking for a few more minutes. If the taste and consistency of the sauce is right for you, then it's ready to go. Now we're ready to fry the breaded chicken, pork, and shrimp katsu. Heat about 2 to 3 cups of cooking oil in the pan and make sure it is hot enough before you fry your meat. Do not overcrowd your pan so that the oil temperature will not go down. Take a peek to see if it's already golden brown and flip the meat to cook the other side. Once it's evenly cooked, place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Then continue frying the rest of the meat. After frying, cut the chicken and pork katsu into thick slices. And now we're ready to plate. Pour the curry sauce on a plate with steamed rice and top with your breaded meat. Then add a side of fukujinsuke, which is a popular Japanese condiment. You can also add soft-boiled egg if you like. If you make this recipe, snap a pic and tag it #HomebasedChef. We would love to see your creations on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or let us know in the comment section below. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and hit the bell icon to be notified with new videos. Bye!